What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing an 8-minute haircut tutorial, so stay tuned. We're starting off with our Gold FX and making a rainbow guideline. Now we're moving on to our no guard all the way open, and we're using the lever to blend our initial guideline. Moving on to our one guard all the way open, I'm going to make sure I use the flick out method. Now we're using our 2 guard all the way open and getting ready for the 1.5 guard. After we're done with the 1.5 guard, we move down to our 3 guard all the way open and use the comb to feed the hair into the teeth of the clipper. Now we're using the clipper over comb method to blend into the bulk. I'm cutting off some bulk near the neckline just so I can line it up better with my Gold FX. Before I start my line, I always analyze the hair and start at the bottom. The arch near the ear is very dangerous, so you want to take your time and be very careful. Now we're moving on to the back shaver just to remove the stubble. Using our Babyliss Gold FX, we're going to start at the bottom of the C cup and work our way to the top of the arch. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. We combed all his baby hairs down from his hairline, and now we debulked it with the 1 guard all the way open. Now we're lining up with our Gold FX and making him as crispy as possible by starting off from the middle and working our way to the sides. Moving on to the shear work, I'm gonna debulk the sides of the hair a little bit and then make a guideline on the top of the capitus and then follow that guideline on the sides. Using our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make him as crispy as possible and also do his eyebrows and beard.